events. Today is in the Author's Corner. We're going to meet author and a multi-talented personality, Mr. Anirban Bhattacharya. Before I welcome him, I would like to thank each one of you, whoever is here with different events. Today, I think there was an issue with my line, so sorry for that break. Before we go ahead, as always I like to thank all you viewers who are here today with us to watch us live. Stay tuned. A lot of things are going to unveil, and there are a lot of things which I will be sharing with you about the next coming days. Along with, I really want to thank those who have reached out to me separately that we want to come on live shows with UBI. Thank you very much, each one of you. We will surely plan something very soon for all those whom we could not give a slot. So do not be disheartened. 15-day slots, yes, they are full, but we have a lot more in store after 15th also. So don't get disheartened. Stay tuned. Stay in touch with us. Along with this, an event schedule is being posted in the announcement section. Today, the contests are ending. So I think 9:30 p.m. India time, all the contests which are running, the fourth contest, the poetry contest in Hindi, poetry contest in English, along with the photography contest and the artist corner contest, they will be ending tonight. So please hurry up, buckle up yourself, and finally post whatever you have been planning to post all these days. I know we do keep on editing our work and wait for the last minute, so don't wait anymore and start sharing it on the contest and close it for tonight as soon as possible. Along with that, I would like to request you, as I've been told again and again, to request everybody to share this live feed to whoever would like to know Anirban or the group or anybody who is interested in books, authors, writers, readers, creative souls like a photographer, a painter, all are welcome. So please keep sharing. The share button down is there just to share it on your wall. It will take just 2 seconds. So here I will invite, now I'll not take more of your time. I will invite Anirban Bhattacharya is right here with us. Welcome, Anirban. Can you unmute yourself?
Okay, there I go. Yes, you can hear me now?
Yes, we can. Welcome to the show. Welcome to UBI.
Thank you. First of all, words of prayers and condolences to the tragic event that has happened. I saw the video. It's just nature telling us not to mess around anymore. You know, there used to be a time when we could say that, chalo, our generation, we are fine. Next generation, be fine hai. The earth will be around. But now I think we've run out of time. Absolutely. As David Attenborough said, finish the time. Now there is no time to sort of rewind and make changes. So it's a very tragic event, and we have to now, all of us have to do our bit to give back to the planet. Thank you for having me today.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving your time. I know you have such a tight schedule. In spite of that, you agreed to this time slot, and that too on a weekend when it's time for family. So thanks to your family to share your time with us.
Now, उनको भी पता है मैं प्यार का भूखा हूँ. बोलते चल बेटा जा आजा घूम के आजा.
ये बहुत अच्छी कही. प्यार के हम सब भूखे हैं सच में, और आज आपसे इतना प्यार मिलने वाला है तो अभी I think UBI will be so happy. All of you watching over there, I'm sure you're all waiting. So just a quick introduction, where although it's very difficult to give a quick introduction to a multi-talented personality like him, I will try to keep it crisp for you. Anirban, who is born in Kolkata, he studied in the boarding school in Kalimpong. After doing his bachelor's in English literature from Xavier's College, Kolkata, he did his master's degree in mass communication. That took from Delhi, Kolkata to Delhi. Changes. I think you've done a lot of up and down and changes in your life, right? Yes. I think that will be showing in all of what you've been doing. He started his career in television, working in TV18. He's worked in music channel of Star India called Channel V. I think all of us know that. He was an executive producer and head of content. He worked on various shows, including being an associate director to the second season of Indian version of Pop Stars, the head of non-fiction content at the Walt Disney Company. Anirban, oh my God, I don't know what all. मैं बोलते हुए थक रही हूँ, आप करते हुए नहीं थके. And I'm just halfway through, you know. Everybody just stay tuned. So
I figured out कि भैया एक ही जिंदगी है तो सब कुछ कर लेना चाहिए क्योंकि
बिल्कुल. अरे अभी तो बहुत बाकी पढ़ना मेरा. रुकिए मैं बताती हूँ. अभी बहुत कुछ है जो मैं बताने वाली हूँ. He has also directed music videos. Euphoria, we all know, right? And the song Rok Sako To Rok Lo. He has directed that music video. And one more, one of my daughter's favorite, Chandu Ke Chacha, Asma's super hit song. She's even danced on that. So he's the one who's directed that music video. And that was not enough. That was not enough, everybody. He's also a co-creator and producer of one of the India's most popular crime show on television called Savdhan India. I think all of us know that, whoever is watching me. Also the series producer of longest running crime show of Indian television, Crime Patrol. अभी कहानी खत्म नहीं हुई दोस्तों, अभी डरना बाकी है. So he has also written and produced the third season of Fear File. डर की सच्ची तस्वीरें. Oh my God, I mean, how did you do this? This is amazing. And और छोड़ो अभी ये तो I think still I have two more things which I should share. He is a stand-up comedian also. And now an author. His first book, guys, you have to read this book. The Deadly Dozen, India's most notorious serial killers, which is being published by Penguin Publishers. We should see the book. Oh my goodness. Oh, my God. This is too much to do in one lifespan. How did you manage all this, Anirban? This is too much.
और एक्टिंग भी किया है मैंने.
हाँ, एक्टिंग भी किया है. कोई धागा में भी किया है और आई थिंक किसने
मिशन मंगल और अदालत.
हाँ, अदालत में. Oh my God, this is like.
I figured out कि एक ही जिंदगी है अभी. कोई भी मौका आ जाए ना नहीं कहना चाहिए क्योंकि
बिल्कुल नहीं.
What is life at the end of the day? It's not about yes, it's about money and all of that to an extent क्योंकि survival के लिए चाहिए होता है. But at the end of the day, when you're on your deathbed, you shouldn't be saying कि यार मुझे ये करना चाहिए था. You know, live a life of regret. And our life is actually about experiences and memories. At the end of the day, what does a soul take up with us? It's memories, right? And the experiences that we have. So मैं कोई भी एक्सपीरियंस को ना नहीं कहता हूँ. कोई भी बोले कि हाँ चलो गाना गाओगे, बोले हाँ गाना गाऊंगा मैं.
गवा दे आज.
वो गाना मैं गा चुका हूँ. आई एम अ वॉइस आर्टिस्ट फॉर वॉल्ट डिज्नी मूवीज. कार्स 2 फिल्म आया था, उसके लिए मैं मेन विलन का डबिंग भी किया है. तो आई डोंट से नो टू एनीथिंग. सो आई थिंक दैट्स अ मोटो दैट ऑल ऑफ अस शुड टेक क्योंकि अदरवाइज द जो we sort of live, एक तो एक जिंदगी बहुत लिमिटेड सा एक्सपीरियंस हो जाता है कि यार नौकरी करना है और घर वापस आना है, खाना खाना है, सो जाना है, वापस फिर से उठ के फिर नौकरी करना है. So then that becomes a little bit of a you know, at the end of the day, what do you tell your children? You know, what kind of a life have you led? And it's not कि ये सब experiences जो है because I'm entitled or because I'm in a certain space. Yes, that helps. That हाँ मैं मीडिया में हूँ तो मुझे मौका मिल गया कि ये शोज क्रिएट करने के लिए और प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए, लिखने के लिए. लेकिन हर you know, every one of us are in particular fields in which opportunities arise.
True.
You know, so never say no. करके देखो maximum क्या होगा. We'll fail. Correct. We'll do really a bad job out of it.
गिरते हैं शहसवार ही मैदान जंग में.
Correct. So, but at least we'll know. At least, correct. And at the end of the day, we'll know. हाँ चलो ठीक है, try तो किया मैंने. You know, but without trying, you're already thinking यार मुझसे ना हो पाएगा. तो वो वाला जो है थोड़ा सा हजम नहीं होता मुझे. So that's why.
I think that's where we hit the chord, and I could relate to and reach out to you as well because I believe in that completely. I mean, नहीं क्या होगा पूछ के तो देखें, बात तो करें, कोशिश करें,
Correct.
बिना कोशिश किए हार
जैसे जैसे मेरे किताब के लिए पब्लिशर ने मुझे बोला कि अच्छा कैन यू गेट सम सेलिब्रिटी कोटेशंस।
हाँ
मैं बोला देखो, एंड आई एम अ वेरी, मैं काम से काम रखता हूँ। काफ़ी सारे लोग हैं इंडस्ट्री में जो पीआर करते हैं बॉलीवुड स्टार्स के साथ, उठक बैठक है। आई मीन दैट इज द वे, आई एम नॉट यूज्ड टू दैट, क्योंकि लगता है कि फेवर ले रहे हैं या चपलूसीगिरी कर रहे हैं यार। आई डोंट लाइक दैट काइंड ऑफ एग्जिस्टेंस। सो आई टोल्ड माय पब्लिशर कि भैया मुझसे ना हो पाएगा ये, कैसे मैं पूछूं लोगों को, एक दो मिल जाएगा बट ए ग्रेड स्टार्स जो है कैसे। देन आई सेड व्हाई नॉट, then why not? So
कुछ नहीं।
then I reached out to John Abraham. He had come on my show 2 3 times. So I wrote him a sweet message saying, will you please will you read my book and give me a quotation? So he immediately agreed.
So,
So he gave me a quotation on the book, if you can
yes,
see.
I saw that. Yes.
Yeah. Then
What-
I reached out to Ayushman Khurrana, who's an absolutely super talented actor. One of the finest actors we have. He and I go back to 2003 when we were doing Pop Stars, क्योंकि उनको तब पॉप स्टार बनना था और वो हमारे शो में आए थे गाना गाने के लिए, तो वो बच्चा था. So I know him before he became all of that. So then I wrote to him. He said, of course, Dada, why not? Please send me the book and all of that. So then again, see, it was a blind thing. Also, Anurag Kashyap.
Yeah.
I reached out to Anurag Kashyap and I chased him for 3 months. और अनुराग का क्या होता है कि वो फोन नंबर्स बहुत जल्दी जल्दी चेंज करते रहते हैं. तो
Okay.
and he's very busy, super busy.
He-
At that point of time, he was at Cannes and all of that. So I got hold of him. I told him, I want you to launch my book. He said, why do you want me to launch my book? वैसे ही सब controversy में मेरा होता रहता है. Why you want to do it and all of that? So I said, no, because you are fit. You're the most apt person to launch the book. And so he agreed. So if I hadn't tried, if I hadn't reached out, then I wouldn't know.
Absolutely.
Like Ronit Roy again. Ronit Roy, beautiful person, amazing human being. I acted with him in 2012 in Adalat. On just a lark, I messaged him saying, Dada, will you please read the book and give me a thing? He said, of course. So, there are people who are, who understand. So they know that I didn't write with any ulterior motive.
Absolutely.
Like my message to Anurag was very simple. I said, I don't know anyone in Bollywood. किसी को पता नहीं है. You're the only director I know. And I want you to launch the book because the book is like a baby. And I would like the best for my child. And so immediately agreed. क्योंकि उनको पता था कि भैया हम कुछ गेम नहीं खेल रहे, कुछ नहीं कर रहे. So we
कहते हैं
have
ना,
to.
साफ मन से आप जब काम करते हो तो अपने आप ऊपर वाला साथ देता है. So then good people also, they know, I mean, what you're doing, and obviously
Right.
you will be supported by them.
Yeah. So
Wonderful.
very, very blessed, absolutely blessed to have all these people so willingly help the book. Jayant Kriplani, again, fabulous actor, if you remember him from our days on Doordarshan.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
So he agreed. Shashank Ghosh, again, established Bollywood director. So sab agree ho gaye. So I was very, very blessed. Very blessed.
That's good. May you be blessed always, and may the book shine more and more and more books to come into your kitty, and we bring you in again and again with new books.
Yes.
I will start with asking you something very personal. And we know you as a director. We know what are the professionally what you do. But if I have to ask you, who is Anirban Bhattacharya as a person? When he's at home with his family, with his friends, what is it that he likes to do at his leisure time?
आजकल तो घर में लूडो चल रहा है भाई. आजकल
पिक्चर में या गेम में?
आजकल लूडो बहुत खेल रहे हैं हम लोग.
हाँ.
एक तो ये लॉकडाउन, it has its good and the bad thing. the good thing which I was getting to spend time with family,
Hmm.
with my son, with my wife, which I don't usually do because of my schedule, or getting up at the right time, cooking meals for them. I have enjoyed cooking in the last 1.5 1 year. तो ड्यूटी रहता है कि my missus will cook one meal, I will cook the other meal.
Wonderful.
So and जो मील कुक करेगा वो बर्तन नहीं धोएगा.
ये बहुत अच्छी बात होती है
ये तो
एक्चुअली.
रूल है भैया.
ये रूल आई थिंक हर घर में चल रहा है.
लेकिन बेचारा मेरा बेटा फंस गया क्योंकि वो ज्यादा कुकिंग करता नहीं है, तो दोनों टाइम उसको
उसको बर्तन
बर्तन
धोने.
घिसना पड़ता है.
And my son is hearing it too, so
हाँ,
he's like,
so
all
that's
right,
a good
see.
thing. तो और आजकल हमारे घर पे रूल बन गया है कि हम लूडो खेलते हैं, हर रात लूडो खेलते हैं तीनों मिलके, और whoever wins 5 games
Hmm.
gets to order food from outside.
Wow,
चॉइस से. तो
that's
अचानक
wonderful.
सा जो वो लूडो का गेम था वो अभी इतना टेंशन वाला हो गया है, सब लड़ रहे हैं क्योंकि
इतना ही, आज तो मेरी
हाँ,
मर्जी का
क्योंकि
खाना है मुझे.
बेटे को चाहिए पिज्जा, मुझे चाहिए बंगाली फूड, मिसेस को चाहिए लखनवी फूड. तो एंड देन सो इट्स बिकम सो कॉम्पिटिटिव नाउ, बट इट्स गुड फन. इट्स गुड फन, और हम जीतते रहते हैं, और वेटिंग फॉर द डे कि हाँ अब मैं जीत गया, नाउ आई विल ऑर्डर फूड.
क्या बात है, क्या
हाँ,
बात है.
वो
तो
है.
आज कौन जीता हुआ है आज?
नहीं, अभी अभी कल से नया नया सेशन चालू हुआ है.
अच्छा.
आई एम लीडिंग 1-0.
Wow, so
कोई भरोसा नहीं.
today is Bengali food on the table.
No, 5. I have to win 5 games.
Oh,
I have to
अच्छा.
win 5 games. Whoever reaches 5 games first gets to
Then
order. हाँ,
okay, okay. चलिए
तो
बढ़िया है.
वो है. So I like to listen to music. As my Facebook profile says, I'm a author, television producer, director, actor, stand-up comic, husband, father, single malt lover, DGH OGB, which is my school alumni, and clown. ये हूँ मैं.
बढ़िया है, बढ़िया है. That's good to hear. I mean, I really I'm appreciating that the way you are spending the time in the family and like
Yeah.
utilizing that time, those moments, and instead of cribbing. I mean, there are two ways to handle a situation. One is you keep cribbing and get into a depression. What to do, what to do, what to do.
हाँ,
And
वो
other is you
वो
have
भी
find some way
वो भी
out.
गया है. वो भी एक पीरियड था
है वो.
last year, by by about August September. कब खत्म होगा, कब खत्म होगा.
That phase comes.
So then I just started writing my next book and all of that. So I just kept myself busy.
That's
So yeah.
all right. I have watched one of your shows. I think most of us must have, in which you talk about Bengalis and
My
their
stand-up stand-up video.
that stand-up comedy video. Yes. And
हाँ.
I agree with you. I mean, I think Bongs always love to travel. Also, they love their food, right?
Absolutely.
Their sweets as well as their fish. But
Absolutely.
according to you, who is a Bengali? Just sum up in 5 adjectives if you can.
Now अभी मैं ज्यादा बोलूंगा तो जो देखो, एक तो है
5
कि
word चाहिए.
एक तो है कि फॉर बंगालीज हमारा एक बहुत यूनिक वो क्या कहते हैं उसको, नॉट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, बट द वे वी सी इंडिया इज either you're Bengali or you're non-Bengali. Finished. There is no Punjabi, Marwari, Sindhi. No. So we refer to everybody else as non-Bengalis.
Oh.
So if I say too much, then the non-Bengalis will get upset. I think Bengalis are very passionate. They're very opinionated. And also because we are knowledgeable. Education and culture plays a huge role in our upbringing.
Very
Things like
grounded.
reading and all of that. So that helps us to sort of be opinionated. So we are also very opinionated, passionate. We are absolute foodies. And as I keep saying that Bengali cuisine में पूरे इंडिया में Bengali cuisine has the most variety of vegetarian dishes जो आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा.
And but you know what? I mean, if you talk about it to any non-Bengali person, probably they will think Bengali क्या खाते हैं, मच्छी खाते हैं. it's the
That's a
concept is
stereotype.
very
That's a very
closely, yeah,
stereotype. वो अभी मैं किसी को बोलता हूँ कि मैं बंगाली हूँ तो वो बोल immediately वो बोलता है कि আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি. But I don't love you, you know. So you don't need to profess your love for me
yes,
or misti doi
absolutely.
and rasgulla. You know, we don't survive on that. I like my tandoori chicken as much as I like
As
my
much as fish fry.
shorshe ilish, which is mustard fish. No, so Bengalis have an amazing variety of vegetarian dishes which are absolutely amazingly delicious. So we are foodies, opinionated, yeah, talented.
Yeah.
Of course, we are. The the Indian film industry was started by Bengali stalwarts who came from Calcutta. Um, yeah, so I think
Do you read the Bengali literature also?
I do, but
Any specific one which you like?
I like Tagore. I like Bankim Chandra. I like Sharad Chandra Chattopadhyay. So classics. I stick to classics. In the modern books, I like an author called Prafullo Rai.
Hmm?
Then a lady called Ashapurna Devi.
Yes, I've just finished Prarabdha of Ashapurna Devi. It was a
Oh,
translation.
fabulous, fabulous. So these are writers I read in Bangla.
Uh, the literature is really rich.
It is, and I mean, as my I have an aunt who loves reading, and she says, "Oh, one lifetime is not enough to read all the books in the world," which is
Absolutely.
so true.
I will agree to her 100%.
You know,
Yes.
so that's
Okay. So from a Bengali to, I'll take you to another aspect of your life.
that. Hmm.
On one hand, you've been a stand-up comedian. On the
Kanji,
other hand, you've been producing event events and series related to criminology.
Kanji.
What prompted you to shift these lanes from comedy to crime?
So comedy was never a career for me because I joined the television uh, because of my mass communication degree,
Ah,
master's degree. I joined television in '98, and I was clear that I wanted my career to be, in television or films. Um, Stand-up comedy happened by accident. On a lark, I applied to the Comedy Store in Mumbai for their open mic. I won that,
wow.
the first ever open mic, and then I said, okay, maybe I can look at that. And then I started performing on the side.
And,
Um, but my time in my job doesn't give me enough leeway to go and perform,
mm,
regularly. So I do shows once in a while now. I do corporate shows and private shows.
mm,
तो वो करता हूँ. But to be a stand-up comedian, you have to be performing every day. You have to be on stage. क्योंकि वही आपका practice है.
mm.
अभी आईने के सामने या शीशे के सामने
Oh,
खड़े होके आप बोल सकते हो, लेकिन that is not practice. You have to know whether your lines are working, whether the audience is laughing, not laughing, why aren't they laughing. You have to keep honing your craft.
yeah. It's a completely different ball game to stand in front of the audience and
It's the most scariest.
act.
It is the most scariest profession
Absolutely.
because एक तो है कि जो स्क्रिप्ट है वो आपने ही लिखा है.
Hmm.
अच्छा, परफॉर्म आप ही कर रहे हो, है ना, गलती आपसे ही हो रहा है और रिएक्शन तुरंत मिल रहा है. ऐसा भी नहीं कि पिक्चर है और आप एक बार शूटिंग वूटिंग कर लिए, पिक्चर रिलीज हो गया, थिएटर में कोई देख रहा है. नहीं, ये ऑडियंस लाइव है. आपको
हाँ,
तभी के तभी टमाटर, जूता या प्यार मिल रहा है.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
So it's very scary. As I keep saying, you're almost standing naked in front of the audience,
Mm,
and because it's so scary, but
yes.
it's beautiful to perform. I mean, I love performing stand-up
It's,
comedy.
I think, a different high you will
Oh
get
yes,
standing out
yeah,
there.
yeah, yeah,
Even otherwise,
absolutely,
whoever has not done it will probably relate to it.
absolutely. It's a great high, and
Performance is
you know,
completely.
and each show is different.
Mm,
ऐसा हुआ है मेरे साथ कि मेरा जो पीस था वो
mm.
पुणे में काम किया, सुपर हिट था. मैं बॉम्बे में अगला दिन परफॉर्म किया, नहीं चला. So then you've got to tweak your material as per the audience.
True.
also, and you have to do it on the fly while you're saying it.
Mm.
While you're saying it, you're judging the audience, and you're changing your lines, you're interacting with them. So it's you have to live in the moment, you have to be in the moment to really, do justice to that performance. But it's a high.
Yeah,
Super.
wonderful. So, Anirban, I mean, with so many hats you're wearing, I mean, you so many field you've been dabbling in, acting, comedy, producing, writing. Which is the one you like the most?
I mean, every one of them has their own, you know uh, good and bad.
Yeah,
Television I love because I like telling stories. I like writing scripts. Also, it gives me my income. I can pay my son's school fees, and I can put food on the table.
absolutely.
So that is that, and I take it. It's not key. I've taken it for granted. It's something I love doing. Um, so that is that. Comedy, I do it as a hobby,
Uh,
um, because I enjoy that feeling, and I love making people laugh. So I do that. Writing is my passion. um, और सबको पता है कि राइटिंग से कुछ पैसा नहीं मिलता है।
बिल्कुल भी नहीं।
सिर्फ प्यार मिलता है, जैसे
प्यार
आज मिल
मिलता
रहा
है,
है।
yes, प्यार मिलता है।
और पब्लिशिंग में पैसे नहीं है, अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू आर चेतन भगत और एन आमिश, और
जल्दी,
देवदत्त पटनायक, और
yeah.
अमिताभ घोष. Those are the people who really make the money, and of course, rightfully so. They sell millions of copies. Um, so there is no money in publishing. But again, why do I do it? Is because I love writing, and again, I like telling stories. तो ये कहानी, किताब पढ़ने का जो लुत्फ है,
Mm,
हाँ, क्या शब्द इस्तेमाल किया मैंने आज, हाँ,
yeah.
लुत्फ, heavy word हो गया, हाँ. So the enjoyment of reading and telling stories came from my grandmother.
Okay.
So my grandmother was married off very early in her age. I think she must have been about 13 in those days, 50s, not even 50s, sorry, 40s,
Mm,
41, I think, pre-independence. So she didn't do her schooling. She couldn't complete her schooling. So it was a regret in her life. And then she taught herself how to read, how to write, and everything. And she ensured that all her children and all her grandchildren fell in love with reading and writing.
wow.
क्योंकि she didn't want us to go through that insecurity.
Um,
तो हर रात मैं जब मैं सोता था, in between my grandfather and my grandmother, my grandfather would be, playing with my hair to put me to sleep, and my grandmother would be narrating a story. So every night I would get to hear a story, and I think the love for telling stories or writing, it's from her, because it's so deep rooted
mm,
कि कि किताब तो पढ़ना ही चाहिए. That is something I don't understand parents who don't encourage reading. So I get a little cue. I mean, and reading is, every book is a new universe.
absolutely.
You go into a different world as created by the writer. एनिड ब्लाइटन का आप मैजिक फार अवे ट्री पढ़ लो. मैं जब पढ़ा था बचपन में, एंड द विशिंग चेयर, मैं तो भगवान से प्रार्थना करता था कि भैया मुझे विशिंग चेयर मिल जाए, या मुझे वो मैजिक फार अवे ट्री मिल जाए. मुझे मून फेस के साथ खेलना है, एंड सॉसपैन मैन के साथ घूमने जाना है, और लैंड ऑफ टॉप्सी टर्वी में विजिट करना है. So every book gives you that opportunity of exploring new universes. So reading is something that every parent should encourage their children to do.
Wonderful.
Sorry, मैं बहुत बोलता हूँ. Sorry,
नहीं,
ये
अच्छा है,
खाली.
यहाँ पे सुनने में मजा आ रहा है, मुझे लगता है ऑडियंस को भी मजा आ रहा होगा. Should I just have a look at who's watching it, what they're doing?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Let us just go to the audience as well. Hello, everybody, whoever is watching us. If you have any questions,
There are
please,
122 comments.
or All right, all right, all right. 124 now. Wonderful.
Huh.
My goodness, you have someone watching you and talking to you from my very own house. Huh? Yes,
Oh,
Anirban, Magic, Faraway Tree, and other enlightened books really bring out the same
absolutely.
memories for me as well. That's my husband saying it
Ah,
on
super.
Facebook from another room because I have been enclosing myself
Right.
into another section of my house.
जब मैं
All right.
क्लास 6 में था बोर्डिंग स्कूल में, I grew up in a lovely town called Kalimpong, which is near Darjeeling, in a school called Dr. Graham's Homes. Very fortunate to have gone to a boarding school, and it at the foothills of the Kanchenjunga. सवेरे उठ के तुम कंचनजंगा देख सकते हो. And when I was in class 6, I said I want to be a writer. So I wrote my first book when I was in class 6, which
Wow,
was
that's
like,
awesome.
yeah. So the manuscript was there. It was basically an inspiration from your Secret Seven, Famous Five. I wanted to write an Indian version of it. तो मैं लिखा और वो मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट खो गया, और कुछ पाँच पाँच अबाउट हाँ 5 साल पहले आई फाउंड दैट मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट अगेन, जो क्लास 6 वाले हैंडराइटिंग में लिखे हुए एक्सरसाइज बुक के अंदर. और I made my son read it, and he said, "Oh, this is fantastic." And my literary agent as well read it, and he said, "We must, get this published because there is such a dearth of good literature or good content for kids." And so my next book it's tentatively titled The Adventurous Six,
Wow,
and it's being published by Home Books. It should be out
really?
this year. Um,
That's awesome.
so people who like Enid Blyton will love this book. It's
I
very
mean,
simple.
I have book lovers in my family to an extent that wherever we traveled,
हाँ,
कुछ और साथ में जाए ना जाए, पूरी
किताब तो जानी
किताबें
चाहिए.
साथ चलती हैं.
किताब तो जानी
So
चाहिए.
whenever we pack, our packers are like amazed. You want to really take all of this? I said yes. My daughter has. All of us are like really avid readers. There are mainly
हाँ.
these two in the house. So yeah, I
And
can
so
relate to
and so
what
in the book also, what I
lovers.
did was, in the book, when I obviously rewrote most of it now, because that
Mhm.
was just a 10,000 word manuscript, so I had to make it into a 55,000 manuscript to get it published. But I didn't change the spirit of the book, which is it's set in 1986. Okay, it's set in 1986, so there is no mobile phone, there's no technology, no internet. Kids are still going out for picnics, and there's Tonga rides happening. It's set in a small town called Bijnor in UP.
Mhm. Mhm.
So everything is as is in 1986.
Wow.
So that's something I said I'm not going to change because वो मजा चला जाता है.
Rating. हाँ, बिल्कुल. All right, there's so many of them watching us. Shashikala Kalji is watching. She writes stories as well. Madhuri Verma is saying good evening to you.
Good evening.
Santosh Bakaya ji, thank you so much, ma'am. She's saying we are waiting for your book of poems too.
I know. She was, again, Santosh ji has been so kind. I sent her she's one of the finest poets of the country, and
Absolutely.
modern poets. And I sent her my poems, and I said, please could you write an introduction, to, sort of give me a quote for the book, and she immediately agreed.
She is
And
a sweetheart and she is one of our team as well. So thank you, Santosh
absolutely,
ji. And she has been a guiding force for us as well.
she's super.
Thank you for being there. Aparna Pradhan ji is saying good evening to you.
Good evening.
Abhay, he is saying a book is a treasure chest. Vishaka is agreeing completely. Mega Agarwal is watching. Shuchi is saying nothing like books in the world. Absolutely, Shuchi.
Yes.
All right, there's a lot of people watching us. Leena Kakwani, Divya Venkateshwaran, Kamla Mulani. Yes, ma'am, books are always best friend for us. Kamla Mulani ji is a senior writer in the group. She's saying books are always best friends. Absolutely correct. I think I'll come back to our question.
Yes.
All
And just to
right.
let everybody know that I will go through the chat later on Facebook, and if there are queries, I will personally answer them, because right now we're streaming, so it's not
Yes,
possible
yes.
to answer all the questions.
You can do it once we are through with the
Sessions
live.
over. Yeah.
Later on, you can back to that. Yes. All right. Um, I will come to a different question now, coming
Anji.
from all the towards your shows which you have been producing. Something about fear, fear files.
Mhm,
I think most of
mhm.
us must have watched. Did you always believe in ghosts or supernaturals, or is it this opportunity to produce the show is that led you to believe in supernatural, or do you really believe in them?
No, no, of course I do. I do believe in the supernatural. I believe
Mhm,
that there are spirits, there are ghosts, um,
mhm,
and yeah, I mean, there's nothing to not believe in such a thing. Uh, it's like saying, "Oh, but I don't see ghosts. Do I? Why should I believe in them?" So, why do you believe in God when you don't see God either? Just because you don't see it doesn't mean it doesn't exist. God exists. There is a strong, whether and I'm not going into specific religions, but I'm just saying that there is a supernatural force, a supreme being that's present. Otherwise, sometimes, you know, um, when you look at your own bodies, you know, everything works perfectly.
mhm,
Right now that I'm saying, there are brain impulses going on at million thoughts per second and making me say these things. We are like robots. Who created us?
mhm,
It's a little difficult to just say, okay, evolution took place. So I believe that there is a supreme being uh, there. And
mhm.
if you've read books, um, which talk about life after death and all of that, there is enough proof to say that yes, there is spirits and there are ghosts. So I believe in that. So Fear Files was an extension to my belief. And again, great opportunity that I got to do the show.
During this, I think it's been a long journey for you working on these three shows and the book now. Has any particular case made you restless, tense, or nervous?
Um, Loads of cases. क्योंकि
Any
Savdan India,
particular?
I've produced over 1,000 episodes of Savdan India. So
Mm,
I was living and breathing crime 24/7, and now I'm doing crime patrol. So when one goes through research, it's very very
it's
sickening,
too overwhelming, yes.
especially for my book. Some of the serial killers that I was reading about. Uh, वो अभी मैं how do I even? I mean, they are not even fit to be called humans. They are beasts.
Mm,
So it was very disturbing when I was writing the book. It took me a year to write the book and research it as well.
mm.
So I used to write from 11 in the night to about 5 in the morning. So
My God.
that was my routine. क्योंकि ऑफिस से आते हुए खाना वाना खा के थोड़ा बहुत घर पे टाइम बिता के उसके बाद सब सो जाते थे, उसके बाद मैं लिखता था. And then from 5 to 9 I would sleep, and then 9:30 10 o'clock I used to head to office.
Mm.
So that was the routine I did for a year. So एक साल मैं पगला गया था थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि
I mean,
इतना
4
क्राइम के
hours of
बारे में
sleep
पढ़
a
रहा था
day.
मैं हर रात. पढ़ो लिखो, सोचो. और ये किताब लिखने के दौरान one of the techniques I used was I went into the heads of the serial killers. I started channeling how would they think, and if they did this, why did they do it?
Mm,
What would they have said at this point of time? What were they visualizing? So each chapter that I wrote, there are 12 stories, true stories. So I lived the life of 12 serial killers in that one year,
mm,
without, of course, committing crimes, but uh, thankfully. But वो था. So it was mentally very disturbing, very, very disturbing. एक केस था पुणे का था जो एक, एंड आई कीप टेलिंग दैट टू एवरीबॉडी, देयर इज अ मदर हु टॉट हर टू डॉटर्स टू पिक पॉकेट। वो मंदिर में जाके पिक पॉकेटिंग करते थे। तो इट्स, माँ का नाम था अंजना बाई और बेटी का नाम था सीमा और रेणुका। तो एक बार वो पकड़े गए और रेणुका के गोदी में उनका बेटा था। तो जब क्राउड उनको पकड़ा तो she said that, oh, how can a mother be a thief? So then the crowd let her go. तो उनको आइडिया आया कि बच्चा अगर साथ में हो तो हम पकड़े भी गए, हम निकल
तो भी
सकते, बच सकते।
जाएंगे।
तो वो लोग क्या करते थे, ये मंदिर से ही बच्चे को उठाते थे। कोई
Oh
इन्फेंट
my
हो, छह
God.
महीने का, 1 साल का, 2 साल का। तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम गधे जैसे बच्चों को कहते हैं, अच्छा तुम इधर बैठो, मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ पानी फिल करके, है ना।
सच में।
वो 10
हाँ।
सेकंड जो हम चले जाते हैं, उसी 10 सेकंड में उठा लेते थे बच्चे। उसके बाद दूसरे मंदिर में जाके वो लोग चोरी करते थे। अगर पकड़े गए अगर पकड़े गए तो दे यूज्ड टू थ्रो द बेबी ऑन द ग्राउंड एंड ब्रेक इट्स स्कल एंड देन से कि
My
देखो तुम
God.
लोग के चक्कर में, देखो तुम लोग के चक्कर में, देखो मेरा बच्चे को क्या हो गया। And then the crowd
Oh
would
my.
feel sorry, let them go, and then they would take the baby and then kill the baby later on, chop it into pieces or whatever. So when I
Oh
read
God.
that story, I was very disturbed. I was very disturbed. Uh,
Like,
you know, I remember one night being so violently ill. I was vomiting because I was going through the research and the court documents और पूरे descriptions जो था। I mean क्या गलती
it's
थी
not
इन 5 महीने के बच्चों को और 1 year old। It's yeah, so very disturbing।
my God.
1 साल
बहुत
मैंने ऐसा बिताया, 1 साल पगला गया था।
के सच में पगला जाता है। मैं हम we just watch that one episode and we get disturbed sometimes and like it
Absolutely
affects to actually make it visualize it and then put it out on screen. It must have been really tough writing it down.
yeah,
It's not easy. It's not easy. I mean, and one thing which I always, obviously, sometimes people do talk about it. Why? What is the use of this and that? No, but we need to share this information with the world so people are. सावधान इंडिया का तो नाम ही सावधान इंडिया है.
हाँ जी,
तो you have to actually make them, like, warn them to be aware of what can happen. Because as what happens is, नहीं तो हम लोग सोचते हैं हमारे साथ ये नहीं हो सकता, which is
absolutely,
something which we,
absolutely
I think all of us who are watching us should be really cautious and never say कि ये मेरे साथ नहीं हो सकता. किसी के भी साथ कुछ भी हो सकता है.
correct।
बेवकूफों जैसे मत डरो, बट हाँ, cautious रहो,
हमें
be
तो
careful,
जब हम
सावधान
सावधान
रहें.
इंडिया, हाँ सावधान इंडिया जब हम चालू किए थे 2012 में, जब मैंने बनाया शो, one of the prime two of the prime reasons why we told the show in this manner was, एक है कि आप जो अभी आपने कहा कि हम सबको लगता है कि अरे हमारे साथ कुछ नहीं होगा,
हम्म,
हम तो सेफ है, हम सेफ नहीं है। और वो एक सावधानी देनी थी ऑडियंस को।
बिल्कुल
दूसरी थी कि अ, कोई भी क्रिमिनल हो सकता है, किसी के शक्ल पे नहीं लिखा हुआ है कि मैं क्रिमिनल हूँ।
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
और ये तो सावधानी जो है, ये दो चीज का, दैट इज व्हाट वी स्टार्टेड शेयरिंग विद द ऑडियंस। क्योंकि हमारी ही गलती से हम रात को दरवाजा लॉक करना भूल जाते हैं और चोर आ जाता है। गलती किसकी है? चोर की नहीं है। चोर तो अपॉर्चुनिटी ढूंढ रहा था, गलती हमारी है क्योंकि हमने वो अपॉर्चुनिटी प्रोवाइड किया,
हम्म,
है ना। तो
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
सो
जो
सो
अपॉर्चुनिटी प्रोवाइड नहीं करनी है हमने,
हाँ,
तभी
वी हैव टू बी
जाके सेव
कॉशियस,
करेंगे.
वी हैव टू बी
यस,
कॉशियस, वी हैव टू बी सावधान।
इट्स समथिंग व्हिच वी कैन आल्सो रिलेट टू कोविड. अभी आप सावधान नहीं रहेंगे तो कोविड आएगा आपके घर में. आप हाथ मुंह धो लो और
करेक्ट,
सावधान रहो, कुछ नहीं हो. सावधानी हर हाल में बरतनी है. दैट इज
एब्सोल्युटली।
समथिंग व्हिच वी मस्ट बी
कोविड
केयरफुल.
कोविड में सबसे सबसे बड़ी चीज,
सबसे बड़ी चीज ही है सावधानी.
करेक्ट। और ये सबको महसूस हुआ कि आई
हाँ,
डोंट लिव माई लाइफ फॉर माई सेल्फ, आई लिव माई लाइफ फॉर द कम्युनिटी। अगर मैं सावधान नहीं हूँ, I'm going to pass that
और
on. I mean, look at America. You've got this entire anti-mask faction who don't believe. I mean, so
What to say? What
yeah.
to say? Yes.
So
All
we have to
right.
be careful.
Um, Anirban, I mean, you have dealt with Fear Files, you've dealt with Southern India, you're dealing with these serial killers. Are you afraid? If you're afraid, who are you afraid of more? Ghost or a serial killer?
इंसान. I am
इंसान.
scared of इंसान.
भूत से डर नहीं
जानवर से भी
लगता.
नहीं. जानवर से भी डर नहीं लगता है. इंसान से लगता है, क्योंकि इंसान जो है किसी मोड़ पे कहीं भी पलट सकता है. एंड वी आर द मोस्ट सेल्फिश, डिस्गस्टिंग, रिप्रीहेंसिबल, जो भी सिनोनिम आप ढूंढ सकते हो लगा दो. वी आर दैट काइंड ऑफ पीपल जो किसी के दूसरे के बारे में नहीं सोचते. वी गेट कॉट अप इन ग्रीड, इन selfish motivations. We are the most disgusting people ever. Sometimes I think यार nuclear war हो जाए, let's just wipe the damn planet out. Finish it off.
Right. I will bring you back to our
Sorry.
topic. Not a problem. It happens. It's perfectly fine. Not a problem. Just that, when you're talking about human mind, do you see any pattern there? That is it, like as you said, it's greed. It could be unhappy childhood. When you're talking about these serial killers, when we discuss about people who are having that kind of a mindset, and does all this or any, it doesn't have any pattern. It can be anything else other than this also. Do you see anything if
Um,
you think of serial killer? I mean, what does it go through?
so there is definitely a sense of जो id and the super id है जो हमारे दिमाग
Hmm.
के, या ईगो जो है.
Hmm.
So there's a chemical locha, as संजय दत्त said in मुन्ना भाई, chemical लोचा है
अच्छा है.
इनके दिमागों में. बट मोटिव जो है वो ज्यादातर इंडियन सीरियल किलर्स में ग्रीड है.
Hmm.
There are few, of course, who are sex addicts, like Cyanide Mohan was,
Hmm.
or they. I mean, if you take the case of Pune, the mother and the two daughters, it was sheer greed of money that made them do
Yeah.
that. They killed 16 babies, 16, Sola.
But
So psychologically,
नहीं,
obviously, there is off.
no, so
Anyway,
just, I mean, we have to actually, yes, obviously there are too many things which we can talk about.
yeah.
Some other day we will probably have it separately.
So yes,
So,
so India is
yeah,
known for the world's youngest serial killer. 7 साल की
yes.
उम्र में अमरदीप साडा ने 3 बच्चों का कत्ल किया. अब जब डॉक्टर
Oh,
उनको एग्जामिन किया तो तब पता चला कि he does not feel empathy. He does not know what is right or what is wrong. Psychologist जब उन्हें स्टडी किया.
has to be basically a psychological disorder which they
Yeah,
have.
absolutely.
I mean, talking to you now, I personally feel that probably if you notice any kind of a discrepancy in the behavior of a child or elder person, I think one has to get into that mental health जो हम आज की तारीख में बिल्कुल avoid करते हैं बात करने की. मुझे लगता है वो बहुत जरूरी है. Probably we should talk about the mental health of individuals, and
मेंटल
if
हेल्थ,
at all
करेक्ट.
we
मेंटल हेल्थ जो है
take
ना
care
इंडिया
of
में,
that,
इंडिया में
नहीं वो
इट्स
उस
स्टिल
बारे
अ
में तो
टबू.
करके, हाँ शश करके साइड में कर
करेक्ट,
जाती है कि
बिकॉज
डिप्रेशन है, कुछ नहीं है, बात करो, ठीक है.
पागलपन है.
ऐसा नहीं
एवरीथिंग इज
है.
पागलपन. इफ यू
It's not
आर
that.
डिप्रेस्ड,
Yes, there is some, as you said, chemical लोचा है, वो उस chemical
so
discrepancy को
so thing
body
is,
की, it has to be solved by going to a doctor. So if you see anybody around you, surrounding you, having any issue, it could be anything, you just feel uncomfortable in that particular person's behavior,
I
do
mean, look
not
at
hesitate
depression.
to
Look at
reach out to the
depression that we
doctor.
say,
Do
people are
not, yeah.
depressed, so immediately they say ये तो पागल है. It's not पागलपन
हाँ,
यार.
अगर साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास या साइकेट्रिस्ट के पास अब अगर चला जाता है कोई, So the person is considered as pagal. That's not supposed
Yeah,
to be the thing. I mean, if you
correct. So
give
the
that person a
mental health is
treatment,
a huge
yes,
issue.
absolutely. I think I want to actually come to that from here. I mean,
Sure.
it's basically the pattern which we see. It could be the reasoning is way beyond anything. It could be that internal issues that chemically, and it could be playing a havoc in that person's body and
Right,
mind. So if at all
right,
we handle it successfully at that age and younger in the initial stages, all these things probably can be curbed.
right. I mean, see, there are things that there's a program which I attended called the Landmark Forum. I don't know how many of you know about the Landmark Forum. It's a great course. I
Mhm.
did three modules of that. तो उसमें एक
Mhm.
चीज कहते हैं कि things happen to a child at the age of 3, at the
Mhm.
age of 7, and at the age of about 9 or 11. And those three events stay with you and construct your
Yeah.
nature. So a lot
It
of
builds
things,
you. It builds you from within, and your whole personality is built
yeah,
during that time.
yeah,
So if you go
absolutely,
through something during that time, probably that personality disorder comes in.
absolutely. So a lot of the serial killers, I mean, in America, in the West as well as here, you see that they've not had a great childhood.
Hmm.
And that sort of affects them. But they've been
Affects.
neglected, or they've been wanting attention, or they've been poor, or they've been sexually abused. So then they sort of grow up with that.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay, coming from all this to Hollywood. I mean, we have seen so many great movies from Hollywood, very successful movies like Silence of the Lamb, Zodiac Killers, since many more. But we don't see that in India. Not many thriller movies are made. What do you think could be the reason?
Thriller movies. एक तो
Of late, maybe that Netflix and stuff we are getting,
yeah.
but it's not
So yeah,
like we you can't connect, we can't
yeah.
relate to that.
So like for example, Andhadhun was a fabulous thriller film.
Absolutely,
Andhadhun
I
was
love
brilliant. Was
absolutely.
brilliant. Uh,
Mm.
and so was say Johnny Gaddar, or
Yeah.
those kind of movies are great thrillers. Um, I think our Indian audience, the mass audience, are so habituated to seeing the housefuls of the world, and the thing is lowest common denominator जो है हमारे country में. Unfortunately, we are ruled by numbers. We are so populated that most of the audiences are still uh, you know in the hinterland. There's barely education, all of that. So they are used to seeing a certain kind of movies, and then
Mm.
therefore those kind of movies sell. uh,
Mm.
but now, thanks to an evolving audience,
Mm.
we are seeing uh, cinema that's different. Even if you see,
Mm.
for example, movies like Vicky Donor, or you see movies like Shubh Mangal Savdhan, or
Mm.
you see movies like Dam Laga Ke Haisha, they are all actually different movies.
True.
You know, the characters are so real. Their approach to movie making is different.
Absolutely.
It's no longer the typical hero villain, uh, ha ha he he.
Mm. Mm.
So the cinema is changing for sure, and with OTTs like Netflix and Amazon, and all of
Yeah,
these
there
people.
are some really good
Yeah,
content which you can see over these OTTs. Yes,
yeah.
absolutely. And Ayushman, I must tell this. I mean, his movies and his choice of movies has
Yeah,
been so exceptional. I
yeah. I
mean, you
keep
don't want
telling
to
him
put
that. I keep telling him that. That
anyone.
is,
You please tell him from my part also that
yeah.
we really are all his fans, and since you know him personally.
So
Wonderful.
he's very choosy about his films, from what I know,
Yeah, yeah.
and it shows.
It shows
And,
his work shows.
and he gives his heart, into the film. Yeah, every film you see his performance. From Vicky Donor to now,
Mm,
really believable characters.
absolutely.
Yeah.
All right. Coming to a book, Anirban,
हाँ जी
your book, Deadly Dozen, everybody is now, I think, waiting for me to touch upon the book's aspects. It's about India's most notorious serial killers, which was
हाँ जी
launched in June 2019.
हाँ जी
It's been a consistent book bestseller, right?
yes 80 weeks on
How,
the top 10 Amazon.
yeah, how did you come to this idea of writing this book? I mean, I know you've been with Southern India and all that, but still, how it was about the
So
book?
I wanted so क्राइम तो था ही जिंदगी में
Hmm.
सावधान इंडिया चल रहा था और आई हैव अ लिटरेरी एजेंट कॉल्ड द बुक बेकर्स और
Hmm.
सुहेल माथुर जिनका so he's my agent.
Hmm.
So he told me that why don't you write a crime book क्योंकि
Hmm.
उसमें हम leverage कर सकते हैं. The
Hmm.
readers will take it seriously because they know you're the producer and creator of a show. So
Hmm.
therefore they will know that you are talking sense.
Hmm.
And so therefore a crime book, true crime book happened. Now, why did I choose serial killers? क्योंकि जब हम सीरियल किलर शब्द कहते हैं हमें लगता है कि सिर्फ वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड में ही होता है.
हाँ.
सीरियल किलर्स जो है हम अगर बोले तो इमीडिएटली जैक द रिपर का नाम आ जाता है या टेड बंडी या चार्ल्स
Absolutely.
मैनसन, इन लोग का नाम आ जाता है. बहुत कम सुनने को अब मिलेगा कि हाँ रमन राघव या
Hmm.
साइनाइड मोहन या दरबारा
Hmm.
सिंह या
Hmm.
ठग बहराम. So
Hmm.
I wanted to dispel the notion that serial killers are Western in nature. No, there are serial killers in India as well. 32 हैं अब तक
Hmm.
जिनके बारे में मैं पढ़ चुका हूँ. There are 32 serial killers who have been in India. एक था वो कि it is not a Western phenomena. It is very much Indian as well और Indian serial killers का motive, modus operandi सब कुछ अलग है. तो ये जो था then made me write this book.
Hmm.
I wanted the readers to know about serial killers of India.
Hmm.
So so that's why I wrote the
And
book.
okay. So I think all of us will be able to go to the book and go through the book to know what went through in his mind and what goes through a serial killer's mind. And I think after you read the book, you will know much more about
Please do read
Anirban's.
the book. Please do read the book
Yes,
because
and
it's
I will
uh,
personally, I do it always. I always personally request that whoever reads the book must give a review. You
yeah.
go through the book. It could be an ebook. It could be a hard copy. You go through the book, but go through the book and then give a review. If you read the
It's
book,
available in
always.
24 countries. It's available in 24 countries. The book has been inducted into the Indian Parliament Library. It's there in
Mhm,
the Indian Parliament Library. Or
mhm,
read the book because it's the only book about the serial killers of India. The definitive book. ये सिर्फ नहीं कहते हैं कि क्या हुआ था. So the book goes into who was the serial killer, why did they become serial killer, how did they do the crimes, their modus operandi, planning, the life of the victims, and how they were caught. So everything in each story, is there. So you must read the book and get to know. And somebody mentions just now Charles Sobraj. Charles Sobraj is not Indian. ये हमें लगता है कि just because
हमें लगता
he
है
operated in India, he's French, Vietnamese, uh, uh, in his roots. He's a French citizen currently in jail in Kathmandu.
mm,
So he's not Indian. So therefore he's not in the book.
mm. All right, I'll take a few questions from the audience now. There's so many people watching us.
Mhm.
Let me go to
नम्रता
the.
पंडित पिल्लई जी, ये है किताब द डेडली डजन, इंडियाज मोस्ट नोटोरियस सीरियल किलर. Amazon में अवेलेबल है एंड अवेलेबल इन 24 कंट्रीज. Amazon, Flipkart, कहीं से भी आप ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. और बुक घर पे आए तो 48 आवर्स ना छुए उनको, क्वारंटीन में डालिए किताब को.
जी, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बहुत
उसके
जरूरी है.
बाद ही उसके बाद ही आप
एक
पढ़ें.
क्वेश्चन मैंने अभी पढ़ा, श्याम सुंदर जी has asked Have you ever encountered the supernatural phenomenon in your life?
Yes, I have.
Would
Yes,
you like to share?
um, so it's a very personal story. Namrata ji, yes, it's available on Kindle, Amazon. Yes. Okay, so मैं boarding school में था, class 9 में था. I was very close to my grandfather. And one night in my dream, I saw my grandfather, and when I woke up, he was standing at the foot of my bed, and I was very scared. I was wondering why. And next day, I got a call from my father saying that my grandfather had passed away 2 days ago, and I didn't know. Um, so basically, he had probably come to say goodbye.
My God, this reminds me of my one personal experience. My mom has a very close friend, had rather. She passed away in Ujjain. Shanaz ma'am, we fondly call her. One of my mom's bestest friends. She used to be like a mother to me as well. So when she passed away, I was in Pondicherry and she was in Ujjain. She was going through cancer. The night she passed away, I dreamt of her in a very sad state, and I was like crying, howling. My husband had to literally wake me up. And next day, I heard that, one day before that, she had passed away. My God, I'm getting goosebumps right now. I'm really getting goosebumps.
Yeah,
So
it happens.
yes,
It happens.
these things do happen. And Shamsundarji, thanks for asking this question. And really, I mean, these these things happen, and it's not to be scared of. But yeah,
Mm.
they are there with you. I think they become your guide and they become your mentor.
Absolutely. So if
And
you've done past life regression,
Mm,
there's something called the guiding angel that you have in your life, right? When
yes,
you go
absolutely.
deeper and deeper, you figure out who your guiding light is and
Angel.
angel is. And they say that when you die, when you pass over into the light, then those people are there to guide you into the
Absolutely.
light. So yeah, so there are good spirits and there are bad spirits. Of course, there are.
All right. Swati is asking similar question, but I'll just read it out. Sir,
Mhm.
I always feel there is another life after death, and what a coincidence. While I'm putting this message, you said the same words as one book of maybe yours. What is your opinion? Do you believe in aliens?
So yes, there is life after death. I would like to believe that. Um, because you hear cases of people who have rebirth and then they can recall their past, um, and I think there is a book by, I forget the name, about these two kids who died in an accident, and there's a Parsi lady who contacts the children and
Oh,
she
you're
becomes the
talking
medium.
about Carl? You're talking about Carl, the lady who's in Pune, and she actually connects to her son. It's a real life story.
Yeah,
And this lady's, I don't know whether she's now she's around in Pune or no, but this I've heard of the story. It's about Carl, who is her son, and she connects to this guy, and
yeah,
he
the two
writes
sons,
her.
two sons. Yeah, they died in an
Yeah,
accident. Yeah,
yeah, and he writes
uh,
through her, and she
yeah,
literally writes,
yeah.
and she talks. Yes.
Yeah, so they talk about 7 layers of
Mm,
existence, and how depending on your karma you will enter a certain realm, 7 realms
mm,
and all of that. So yeah, so I do believe that there is life after death. Whether I believe in aliens, I would think so. Yes, we are living in such a huge galaxy. I refuse to believe that we are the only ones. And if we are the
absolutely.
only ones, we are rather stupid because look at what we're doing to our planet. So I'm sure there is some alien out there. And why they haven't made contact with us? Because they think we are stupid. Saying इनको तो जाने दो, इनसे कुछ ना हो पाएगा, इनसे कनेक्ट करके कोई फायदा नहीं है. We are
Oh,
far more intelligent. ये लोग तो अपने ही पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मारने वाले हैं, तो हमें छोड़ दिया गया है. So that's it.
हाँ, सही है. All right, there's so many uh, comments. Which one do I take? I can't read all of them.
Abhirup Dhar has written an upcoming book of yours is into horror. Could you tell us more about that? Oh yes, okay. Sabiru is a dear
Yeah.
friend. He's written a fantastic two books, Hold Your Breath and The Belvedere Haunting, which is set in Darjeeling.
Yes.
You must, all of you, if you like horror, read those two books. Amazing writer. So my one of the books which I'm writing about is about the most haunted places of India. So and it's a meta fiction. Basically, I'm going into the lores and the folklores and the myths and the legends and the stories behind those places and making them come true with fictional characters. So it's sort of a meta fiction, but and I'm enjoying writing it. But खुद ही मैं कभी-कभी डर जाता हूँ क्योंकि रात को लिखता हूँ, अचानक लगता है खट करके आवाज आया तो इधर-उधर देखता हूँ, फिर उसके बाद लैपटॉप बंद करके सोने चला जाता हूँ तो वो किताब कब खत्म होगा भगवान ही जाने क्योंकि डर-डर के लिख रहा हूँ मैं। अच्छा, और जितना
नहीं हो
डरावनी
जाएगा और जल्दी होगा।
और जितना
जल्दी
डरावनी
होगा और
सीन लिखता हूँ, जितना डरावनी सीन लिखता हूँ, उसके बाद मैं ही खुद डर जाता हूँ। तो देखते हैं अभी क्या होता है इस किताब का।
I am waiting to read that then. All right, Achal has a question.
हाँ जी।
What are your thoughts why Southern India and Crime Patrol got the fame like it did? Did you expect it? Also, do you think as Indians we get scared easily? That's why we got good TRPs. All right, she's talking about TRPs.
Okay. Oh, TRPs. The nation wants
Yes,
to know.
the
Drugs दो,
nation
मुझे
wants.
drugs दो, drug दो, TRP दो, मुझे TRP दो. Okay, so Crime Patrol is the longest running true crime show on the on Indian television. So I came late into producing it. There's a gentleman called Subu who created that amazing person. So he created that. So the show was already popular. Savdhan India is what I co-created, and we wanted to be different from Crime Patrol. So Crime Patrol, if you've seen it, it tells the story from the police point of view. So it's an investigative, it's a police procedural, as one would say. Savdhan India is the
Anu,
story of the victim,
yeah.
and that's why it's India Fights Back, where the victim fights back. Did I think it would be popular? As popular as it is? No. Honestly, no. I didn't expect it to be this popular. And a lot of the popularity um, sort of is because of the format. Because first time we got to see the victim fighting back. There were far more emotional stories. Also, we started talking about Savdhani and making the viewer aware. तो शो से काफी लोग को सीख मिला और वो सीख के वजह से लोग देखने लगा कि हमें आज नया क्या सीखने को मिलेगा. इवन लीगल केसेस वी वुड टेल द ऑडियंस कि आपके साथ अगर ये हो रहा है तो आप ये
Yes.
कर सकते
तो
हैं,
आप क्या करो?
कोई
Yes, I
ब्लैकमेल
saw
कर
that.
रहा है तो ये है, साइबर क्राइम है तो ये है. और so that was why it became very popular. Also Sushant Singh, the host,
Yes, he was
I think he's
amazing.
one of the contributing factors to the success of the show. Without his face, he's उनके मूछे के साथ वो
Oh my God, yes,
ट्रेडमार्क है.
absolutely. The
सुशांत
Southern India सोच तो सुशांत सिंह सीधे दिमाग में आ जाते
Absolutely,
हैं और कोई नहीं
absolutely,
आता.
absolutely. So he's also a contributing factor to the popularity of the show. So again, been very blessed कि एक लैंडमार्क शो करने को मिला अपने जिंदगी में. Create one on your own.
Really,
Create your own show. So yeah, so that's been a blessing. And what was the second part? हाँ, are Indians scared? हम सब फट्टू हैं,
yeah.
सब फट्टू हैं,
सबको डर लगता है, मुझे लगता है सभी को
सबको डर
लगता हो.
लगता है. अभी
कोई शो करेगा,
अब
कोई नहीं शो करेगा.
अब पहलवान के सामने भी आप बंदूक निकाल के दिखाओ तो उनको भी डर लगेगा कि गोली ना चल
डर
जाए.
लग
अब
बिल्कुल
ये
लगता
है कि हाउ प्रिपेयर्ड आर वी टू फेस दैट. तो हम व्हाट आर वी टीचिंग आवर चिल्ड्रन? सी, क्राइम इज नॉट गोइंग टू गो एनीवेयर. ये मैजिक तो है नहीं.
is going to stay wherever but
और बुरे लोग तो रहेंगे ही, राइट? Then how do we prepare ourselves and our children to face that, right? How are we teaching our daughters to combat the repressed men, the narrow-minded, misogynistic men of our country?
mentality.
It's up to us. It's up to us. How do we teach our children? And it's not about just teaching the daughters how
It's
to
about
fight
boys,
off.
sir.
It's
I
about
feel
teaching the
it's not the
boys.
girls, it is about boys.
It's about
It's
teaching
about
us
both. It's about
how to
everyone.
be misogynistic. It's about teaching our sons how to respect women. It is about teaching our sons to help a woman if in distress. इसकी रॉकी ने बोला था कि आप लोगों ने शायद रॉकी पिक्चर देखा है कि नहीं पता नहीं, सिल्वेस्टर स्टैलोन का बोलता है इट्स नॉट अबाउट you know how many times you get hit, but it's about how many times you can get up. कुछ उस तरह का डायलॉग था, अच्छा था.
So I will, I think the questions and the flow of, I think, messages here will continue. And I think I will also request whoever is watching us, yes, please continue telling us what you want to say to him. He will connect to you directly on the messages, on the comment box. You can post your questions also. We will answer to you. I think the time is running out for me right now and for him too. So I will come back to the last question of the evening before I wind up the show.
Yeah.
After producing these super successful TV shows, authoring a best-selling book, now acting in movies, what next do we expect from Anirban Bhattacharya?
I don't know. अभी कोई बोले कुछ नया, कुछ ऑफर कर दे, मैं हाँ बोल दूं.
क्या बात?
वो है. So again, acting was an accident. I love acting. I used to do theater in Calcutta. So some director offered me Sui Dhaga, and then also offered me Adalat as well. So yeah, so I just do it because I enjoy doing it. और ये मेरा परसों तक I had a full beard, goatee. If you've seen my older pictures, I had to shave it off because I had an audition yesterday. So I shaved it off.
अगली पिक्चर आने वाली है जल्दी.
हाँ जी.
अगली पिक्चर इसका मतलब आने वाली है जल्दी.
अभी पता है, अभी तो ऑडिशन दिया हुआ है, अभी देखते हैं क्या होता है.
आई जाएगी.
इंशाल्लाह आएंगे.
Absolutely.
So that's that.
Thank you so much, Anirban. Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much for having me. Such a pleasure. Such a pleasure.
Thank you so very much. And thank you, audience, whoever is watching us. And till now, I think it's nearly 1.5 hours. They've been connected with us and they have not left us till now. Thank you so very much.